Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jhosfine. If this is your first time here, we need you to join the family, okay? In today's video, we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys different ways you can style your braids, okay? Different easy ways you can just style your braids. I'm going to be using this string. This is a shoelace actually. You can use this or any other string you have. And I have with me rubber bands as well that we're going to be using. So yeah, if you want to see different ways you can style your braids, then kindly keep on watching. But before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and tap on the notification bell that comes after you subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload. Okay? Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. You guys saw you can style your braids in different ways. If you're going to work and you don't put your hair down, you can just wrap it around like this and still make it stylish. Okay, that is it for my little hair tutorial that I brought your way today, and I hope you did like the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, give me a like, and also comment below which style was your favorite. Okay, for me this one was my favorite style. I really like this one. Comment down yours and let's get interactive. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah guys, that is it for this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.